तुझ में खोया रहूं मैं मुझ में
Everyone, this is an example video of how to catch reversals using candlesticks. So as we know, our REC Limited has been on a very good uptrend for quite some days now, and today morning it gave a dip. So since the overall trend is bullish, I didn't want to short it. So although there was a very good short opportunity here, but that's after the fact. So what I got interested was this hammer at a key support level, and also vertical fall, which means that the probability of reversal is very high. And I took long here at 334 with 330 stop loss, and I booked it at 341. And now I'm waiting. If it is making a kind of a flat pattern here, if it breaks out this flag, then I'll go long again. Otherwise, no. So this is an update on how to use candlesticks. So this hammer is the reason why I entered the trade, and I exited the trade because this resistance here, 340. So that is a great 1:5 risk reward ratio. Thank you for joining. Do join back for more such videos. Thank you. Bye.
ये